It's a great day at Rusty Wallis Honda. Used cars, 12277 Shiloh Road, Dallas, Texas, 75228. Today we're featuring a little notes here. A 2008 Lexus LS 400 black with black leather interior. A real nice vehicle. Rusty Wallis has been in business for 40 years. We've won 8 President Awards. We are 100% customer satisfaction oriented. We would love you to be part of our Rusty Wallis family. I mean, just looking. They make it so that you can't even change the oil yourself nowadays. Anyway, let's get back to task. 8 cylinders, 4.6 liters. Automatic rear-wheel drive. You got your fog lamps, auto headlights, HID headlights, alloy wheels, keyless entry, CD changer, MP3 and CDs. Actually, that makes sense. It's got CD player with CD changer and MP3 player. How's that? Here we have our match. Look at that. Full spare. Dual exhaust. If you're in the market for a quality pre-owned vehicle, give me a call. 214-723-4366. John Hernandez. All right. 73,018 are the miles. Amazing. Now, this has, here you have your park assist, okay? Your wood grain, memory seats. You got your 2 keys, your owner's manual. If you're in the market for a quality luxury car, here we have our rear view mirror with automatic dim. Tons of room in the back. You got your sunroof. Wow. Push button start. Everything at a fingertip. 214-723-4366. John Hernandez. Please like my video. Here we have the window sticker. $18,995. Okay. Pure price at $15,509. Yes, correct. You did hear me correct. $15,509 is our pure price. If you want to be competitive in the industry, if you want to be competitive on the market, in the marketplace, if you want to be competitive on the internet, you have got to have prices to drive in traffic. Your guest or the president that you might be transporting here will have their own vents. Look at this. A little mirror here with, oh, this is first class all the way. There's your middle vent right here. Here's your seat warmer. Wow, I'm getting spoiled. Let's see here if there's any. Look at that. Wow. If you only travel in luxury, this car is for you. This would be a step up for anybody. Now, just looking at the body, you can't tell it's an 08. Really? Look at that. Can you honestly tell me that this looks like an 08? It's got all your badges here. Wow. 214-723-4366. Give me a call. We would love to have you part of our family. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.